guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'd like to say happy new year to everyone. In this video I'm going to share with you guys some of my favorite to styles for my box braids. Listen, your box braids don't have to be boring. You don't have to always have your box braids down. There's some cute simple looks for your box braids for when you're going out with the girls, or you're going on a date, or for whatever reason you just want to switch up. I'm going to help with that, and I'm going to share with you guys some of my simple looks for when I have on box braids. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can know whenever I have a new video. And remember, your boxes don't have to be boring. Share with me what is your favorite ways to style your box braid. Till next time, bye.